Hello, doctor. I'm ZENG YIMEI. My paper is predictive analysis of the implication of the transit visa-free policy on inbound tourism economical in China. The 72-hour visa-free transit policy as an example. This is my paper contents, divided into 6 parts. Abstract. This paper analyzes the role of the visa-free policy in the trade of the inbound tourism service. We use the gravity model to analyze the panel data from 2002 to 2017 for 18 cities in 13 major inbound source countries. The results all strongly support the expectation that the transit visa-free policy can stimulate the development of inbound tourism. 4 conclusions and 4 recommendations are made. This paper keywords is the 72-hour visa-free transit policy, inbound tourism service trade, gravity model. Part 1, Introduction Program. From the figures, we can show that the balance of the trade increase is increasing, and the current account balance is increased, but the balance of the trade in service is decreased. Unfavorable balance of the tourism service trade. Deficit disadvantage of the trade in service urgently needed to enhance the development of the China's trade in service. So this paper explores whether the visa-free policy can stimulate the growth of the inbound tourism. Objective in this figure, we can see that raising part. So the transit visa-free policy can enhance the tourism trade. This paper explores the impact of the transit visa-free policy on inbound tourism, and its mechanism of action is our major objective. The dataset we use in passenger core 17 years panel data about the 18 cities of the visa-free transit policy from 13 major inbound source countries. Dataset is official data from different platforms. We ensure the dataset is authority, publicity, and updating. Part 2, Literature Review. I have read 39 papers. There are 82% from Scoop. The literature can divide into 2 parts. The first part is research on international trade in tourism service. The second part is impact of visa policy on inbound tourism. Above all, there is a little literature analyzing the promotional effect of the transit visa-free policy on inbound tourism development at the city level in China. Part 3, Research Design. We use the gravity model. In the literature, we can see that gravity is one of the fundamental models in the study of the international trade and studies the attraction between 2 objects. There are 2 models. The first model have the 7 variables. The second model just different at model 1 at add the interaction term, employment plus visa. The figure shows the analysis process. We can use the Python when to data cleaning, and we use this data 18 to make the regression and empirical analysis. We can see this figure. The visa, LGDP, FGDP, heritage, and employment is positive correlation with dependent variable, but the distance is negative. Negative correlation with dependent variable, both in Model 1 and Model 2. But in the model 2, we can see the interaction term is negative correlation, indicating that the number of the employees in third industry does not contribute to the positive effect of the visa-free transit policy on inbound tourism. Finally, shortcoming. There are two shortcomings in this paper. Inbound overnight tourists may also be another visa-free transit policy sample, so the law of the regional overlap and the ensues the effect is not significant enough. Second, the sample city in this paper only involve 18 major tourist cities, including the main 13 source countries of China's inbound tourism. So the representativeness of the sample data still has some defects. So thank you for your watching. I would be grateful for any corrections.